Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled Police Surprise Couple in McDonald's Drive-Thru Ends Badly by Crime Time Cam.
On August 30th, 2024, officers conducted a traffic stop in a McDonald's drive-thru over a vehicle infraction.
How are you, man?
Good.
Hey, I'm Deputy Copeland with the Sheriff's Office. Hey, you got blue lights in the back. You can't have blue in the back.
Oh,
you can't have blue anywhere on a bike.
I bought the bike that
Okay,
way.
I believe you, but that doesn't make it legal.
I got you.
Okay, I'm not going to write you a ticket for it, but I'm going to let you know. Do you have your license and insurance on you?
Yep.
Where you headed to tonight, man?
Just getting her McDonald's and then...
McDonald's running home?
Yep.
Yeah.
Well, I don't live here.
Oh, you don't live here? Where you live?
Hopedale.
Hopedale, okay. You up the hog days or what?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is starting off more pleasant than I thought it would.
Do you have a way to shut those blue lights off?
No, I do not.
Okay. Do you understand why we enforce the blue lights? What color are our lights?
No.
So kids see you with blue lights and they put blue lights on their vehicles and then they run around. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have ID on you, TMS?
No, I don't. I'm just a passenger.
Okay. Will you provide me your info?
No.
You don't want to provide me your info? Okay. All right, sit tight. You don't have glasses on?
Me?
Yeah.
I
didn't see you with glasses on when you rolled in here, so now you do have to give me your info.
I don't have
What?
any info. And
You know your name.
I did have
She can't take off her glasses?
glasses on.
I did not see you with glasses. You'll be on my. You'll be on my. Okay, you'll be on my camera.
Okay.
Those are his.
These are mine.
Okay.
I just let them on
Guess
his
what?
head when
What
I
is your last name?
cigarette.
What's your last name?
Did she really have glasses on at the beginning? Hold on. Oh, you gotta look at that shit. Hell no, she ain't never had them shits on with her lying ass. Lying like a motherfucker.
Okay. You know your name.
I did have glasses on.
I did not see you with glasses. You'll be on my. You'll be on my. Okay, you'll be on my camera.
Okay.
Those are his.
These are mine.
Okay.
I just let them on
Guess
his
what?
head when
What
I
is your last name?
cigarette.
What's your last name?
I don't have to give you.
If you don't give me your name, I'm going to arrest you. What is your last name?
Seriously?
Yes, I'm being serious. Provide me your last name. Your
For
first.
what reason?
Because you committed a traffic violation.
I
What is
did
your,
not.
What
I'm
is
not
your,
driving.
I'm not arguing with you. What is your last
I'm
name?
not arguing with
Do you want me to
either.
arrest you or you want to give me your name? Do you have a warrant? What do you not want to give me your name
No,
for?
I don't.
She definitely got a warrant, or she been messing around.
I didn't do
Well,
anything.
it's not an option.
I have to give you my
It's not
name.
an option.
It is.
You want? I'm going to arrest you if you don't stop. Give
For
me your.
what? What
well,
are you
right now you're obstructing me, and two because you're not giving me your name.
I don't
Okay?
have to.
Yes, you do.
Right?
Now you
No,
do.
I don't.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do. I wasn't going to push the issue, but now I'm going to push the issue. So,
Why you ain't say, babe, just listen?
you're a few more words away from getting arrested.
We're not going to do this.
It does not make sense to go to jail over glasses.
I didn't do anything wrong. I don't have to.
You're going
provide
to
my
go.
information.
Listen, I'm not messing with you.
have to.
Yes, you do.
No,
Yes,
I
you
don't.
do.
I'm giving you lawful order to give me your name. You're going to
And
give me your
I'm
name, or I'm
explaining
going.
to you,
Listen.
I do not have to.
Let me talk. Okay. I'm explaining to you. I do this every day. You do
Okay.
have to give me your name.
No, I don't.
I'm going to arrest you.
I am a passenger.
This is your last chance. Do you want to give me your name or
My
not?
name's Elizabeth.
Okay. What's your last name?
I just told you.
How do you spell it?
Elizabeth.
Oh, that would have pissed me off even more.
Do you have a lighter, David?
Sit tight. Go ahead.
He's like, what the hell is going on?
What's your birthday? Same. Relocated to.
I'm married to...
Okay, so your name used to be Daly?
Yeah.
Okay, gotcha. You do have a warrant. That's why you didn't want to give me your name? Get off the
Oh,
bike.
I knew it.
I don't have
Yeah,
a
you do.
warrant.
You have a warrant. Get off the bike. Stand for.
Hand me your purse.
He looking like, baby, I'll come get you.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Stop. Put your hands behind your back.
Can you take my money?
Stop.
Look how he looking at her.
Stop. That's math right there. Come over here. Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
I didn't drop
You did.
anything. I
You
did.
stepped on it.
I would have lit a cigarette so fast and watched this shit.
I'm trying to hand him my money. David! Give my money.
David,
No.
McDavid.
What's going on right now?
I'm just trying.
You need to stop.
I'm not.
You are. You're resisting.
Oh my God.
Yeah, she wants him
I
your
just
money.
want him to have my money and my purse for my kids.
Well, you can deal with all that later.
Well, that's fine.
28, leave 25 with me.
You got $9 or
There should be like $13.
Can you chill and just stand
Yes, sir.
here? Spit your cigarette out. Spit your cigarette out.
Can I get my
Spit it out. Spit it out.
She is a professional cigarette smoker because I do that, I'll start coughing and gagging and dying trying to do that.
Thank you.
Can I please get my hat?
Nope. Right now you get nothing. Okay? You don't make the rules. We do.
Did she just light? She just put the shit out with her bare feet?
Put me in the dick.
But you've lied to me from the get-go, so I'm not going to be
lie
nice
to
to you.
you.
Yes, you did.
About what? What'd I lie about?
I asked you if you had a warrant, and you said no.
I didn't. I don't. I
Oh.
shouldn't have a
You
warrant.
do.
I don't.
You do.
For what? I have court next month, not this month.
You have a... Turn around. I never said turn around. Stop.
I just want to
Spread your feet out.
tell my kids,
Okay,
please.
right now, you need to listen, okay?
Mommy's gonna be going away for a vacation for right now. They're gonna be like, why she ain't take us?
You need to listen,
Yeah, you need to
okay?
stop being
You're just adding charges. I would be a lot
How am
nicer
I
to you
adding
if you would
charges?
just be cooperative. I'd be a lot nicer, okay?
I just want to
You're
tell
already
my-
under arrest.
tell
You're
my
not...
kids.
Okay.
That's it.
You need to
I
relax,
want-
okay? Once we get all this done, do you have anything in your pockets?
No, sir.
Okay. Do you have a
Or did
female
I
that's
drop
working? Yes,
anything?
you did. It's on
No, I
camera.
didn't.
It's literally on camera.
I don't care. What's
Okay.
on camera? I didn't drop
It's
anything.
on camera.
Okay.
Need a female to come search her.
You don't have a female working, do you? I want to search her. Well, since she's obviously trying to hide stuff.
I
I'll call
did-
20 in.
I did not
Yeah, I'll call
try to
her.
hide anything. I didn't
10
drop
10.
anything.
Can you have 2025 here if she's available for a search?
David, will you please go back to my house and or
that's
have somebody
okay.
go to the house and
I
say
imagine we
you
get.
can't read
You
them
see
off.
it's so vehicle.
I'm surprised she ain't usually mad at David because usually women go off on the person that they got pulled over, and they it's not their fault.
Elizabeth is 1095. She did resist a little bit just for 43.
I did not resist.
Did you see?
I was just trying to talk to him real
What are you
quick.
talking about?
I was.
You
how
pulling
am
away
I-
from me? You were
Because I was
letting us
trying
cuff
to
you?
turn around to
That's
tell him
resisting.
something.
That's not being cooperative.
I
Okay.
wasn't trying to resist. I was
Okay,
just
well, you
trying to
did.
explain
I
something.
had to literally
him.
put you on the hood of the car because you wouldn't be cooperative.
Because
That's
I just
resisting.
wanted to tell him something for my
Whatever.
kids.
That's fine.
I have my son is at home alone.
Okay.
I was just trying to tell him to go back to my house.
Why'd you leave your son at your house by himself?
Well, he's 15.
Shane, go ahead.
I just wanted him to go back home or back to my house before he headed home.
Gotcha.
That's all.
Gotcha.
10-4 is HE20 available by chance. 10-4.
You can
Will you
search
stand here
me.
with her? I have not
nothing
searched her
on
yet.
me.
I'm going to have 20 come out. She dropped a little crystal meth right there.
I did not.
It's on camera.
I knew she was messing around.
Stop lying. It's on
I did
camera.
not.
Okay, whatever.
Okay.
She didn't do anything apparently. She didn't have a warrant either. She told me.
I have court next month.
Okay,
I
that's
don't know
fine.
how I have a
Okay,
warrant.
hey, can you just be quiet? You have the right to remain silent. You should use it.
I don't like this officer.
Don't be such a dick.
I would be a
You
lot
should
nicer
use
to you
it.
if you would just. Alex,
He's
stay
been
with,
nothing but
stay with her.
rude since.
Okay. Alex, stay here with her because I'm gonna have to search her. I'm gonna call for 7. Hold her. She's already resisted me once. Keep an eye on her. Yes, you did.
I did not.
Okay. I'm not arguing with you.
I'm not arguing either.
You are. Do you have an evidence bag?
Do I have to
No.
I can look in the car.
Don't want
He's
to
fine
stand
with
here
searching. You don't have anything on him or on the
Wait,
wall.
because they're hurting my eyes. That's all.
I can check my car, see if I got that.
This lady here
I'm gonna wait for a
crazy.
female to search her.
Okay.
Got on her hands. Hey, you want your glasses back, man, so you can ride home?
Yes, sir.
I figured you did. I'm gonna get you a warning so you can get out of here. She's going with us. So I'm sorry that I'm mean, but if you would have gave me your name the first time I asked you,
Well, okay.
none of this would have happened. Okay?
Didn't realize that I had to have last
Well, I
assault
told you that.
at
I told
night.
you that you did, and I told you had to give me your name, and you refused to do that. Like 25 times. Okay? I
He
gave
ain't
you, like,
lying.
20
I was on
chances.
the back of the bike. I wasn't the one
In
driving
the
the
law,
bike.
in Illinois, you both have to have glasses on. That's the law.
And after you told me that, I gave you my name.
About 20 times later, yes. And you told me that when I was about to place you under arrest. Or you probably wouldn't have. Let's be real.
The woman was booked for an existing warrant and also charged with drug possession and resisting arrest.
God damn.
Thanks for watching today's video. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe for more.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. Ow.